This was no ordinary day. Every task required precision, teamwork, and absolute focus.
The scale was staggering. A multi-billion-dollar project set to transform the region for generations to come.
Sector C, confirm crane is clear for the next lift.
Over.
High in the cabin, the operator maneuvered the controls with practiced precision.
Every move was calculated, measured against the meticulous engineering plans.
Roger that. Maintain pressure, now approaching the target coordinates.
This wasn't mere excavation. It was precision placement for the future structure's foundation.
Coming left slowly.
The GPS system displayed the drill's location with centimeter-level accuracy. Teams monitored hydraulic pressure, making sure the drilling fluid prevented borehole collapse.
Meanwhile, another team readied the casing materials to reinforce the shaft once drilling finished.
The operation's complexity demanded seamless coordination among engineers, operators, and support teams.
Even this single drilling operation relied on expert teamwork across numerous specialized roles.
As the drill moved forward, focus turned to the towering crane, poised for its next maneuver.
From his vantage point, the construction site unfolded like a living blueprint.
All right, crane, keep the lift steady. Slow rotation clockwise now.
The prefabricated element needed to be positioned within millimeters of its designated location.
The boom extended smoothly, the operator compensating for wind and momentum with years of experience. Riggers ensured the load remained stable and aligned during the final, critical moments of placement.
Alignment confirmed. Well done.
The soil consolidation team arrived with specialized equipment to stabilize the ground for future structures. The powerful machine vibrated the soil, creating a denser and more stable foundation.
Samples were carefully collected and secured for laboratory testing.
Each sample revealed the Earth's story, guiding critical engineering decisions.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the mark.
Tie rods held formwork panels in place, resisting outward pressure from wet concrete. Ensure the spacers are flush with the formwork, reminded the supervisor.
The steel reinforcement would allow the concrete to resist bending and twisting. Concrete arrived from the batch plant, ready to meet exact specifications.
X-ray looks good. The EN 1.4462 is holding perfectly.
Rigger, secure the rear slings. Weight confirmed at 85.2 tons.
Okay, divers. The load is coming down slowly.
Temperature stable at 230, pressure set to 35 bar.
450 Newton meters achieved on bolt 4. Proceed.
Operators verified sensors to ensure the facility would operate safely and efficiently.
Lower the main hoist slowly. Watch the green line, directed the supervisor.
The grader can proceed. Stakes marked for the MSF Foundation, announced the survey crew chief.
Lower the cage slowly. Maintain alignment.
Proper consolidation ensured no voids weakened the concrete structure.
A $2 billion annual mineral export value.
Yes. Flame photometry confirms 7,850 milligrams liters.
This is the main pipeline valve control. Now for the lockout procedure. As night fell, the site transformed under powerful floodlights.
Teams huddled in shelters, reviewing plans.
Deep below, the foundation pit continued to expand, each drill and dig calculated to perfection. Sparks flew as welders fused massive steel beams, their protective gear glowing in the night. Inside the crane cabin, the operator adjusted controls with unwavering concentration. Cranes stretched toward the night sky, their cables taut and machinery humming with precision.
Hours passed, stars traversing the sky as the site worked tirelessly under artificial light.
Hands moved with skill, tying steel rebar that would give the structure its strength.
Concrete flowed steadily, filling the deep foundation with meticulous care.
The reinforced concrete flowed steadily, solidifying the foundation of the massive structure.
Grout filled every gap, bonding concrete and steel into a single, resilient structure.
Concrete settled smoothly, every movement reinforcing the structure's integrity. Surveyors double-checked every measurement, ensuring absolute precision. GPS-guided machines moved with surgical accuracy, a testament to modern engineering. The steel skeleton began to rise, a skeleton of a building soon to touch the sky.
Engineers inspected every weld, ensuring no compromise in structural integrity.
Plans were continuously updated, every adjustment logged and verified. A steel beam descended into position, guided by careful hands and watchful eyes. Bolts were tightened, securing the skeleton that would support the enormous structure.
The turbine, weighing hundreds of tons, was lifted into place with extraordinary precision.
Engineers monitored sensors, ensuring the turbine could handle maximum load.
Every movement was choreographed, cranes operating in perfect harmony. From above, the site resembled a miniature city, buzzing with calculated activity.
Calibration was crucial. Every millimeter mattered. Excavators carved the earth with relentless determination.
Readings were scrutinized continuously to ensure the project met exacting standards. Steel arches were lifted into place, forming the skeleton of what would soon become an architectural marvel.
Welders fused every joint, the sparks dancing like miniature fireworks against the night sky.
Steel plates were inspected meticulously, ensuring perfect alignment before installation.
Concrete was delivered and guided into place with painstaking accuracy.
Slow and steady. Double check every bolt.
The site never slept, each operation synchronized in perfect rhythm. Concrete cured under strict conditions, protected from temperature fluctuations and moisture. Lasers scanned every angle, verifying the structure remained true to design. Steel cages descended slowly into foundations, guided with care by experienced hands.
Prefabricated sections were hoisted into place with expert coordination.
Adjustments were logged immediately, every change scrutinized by senior engineers.
Crane operators moved in unison, each aware of the other's position and motion. From above, the site looked like a luminous organism, each part vital to its operation. Depth measurements were verified repeatedly to ensure absolute accuracy.
Robots and humans worked side by side, each step synchronized to perfection.
The skeletal framework now stretched across the site, a testament to relentless human effort.
Every nut and bolt was tightened to specification, crucial for structural stability.
Even during brief rests, the scale of work and responsibility weighed on each worker.
Digital models guided every next step, merging precision with vision.
Night after night, progress marched forward, guided by skilled hands and advanced technology. Under the stars, the site moved like clockwork, a testament to human perseverance and engineering mastery. Molten metal poured into molds, glowing like liquid fire, each pore measured with exacting care. Scaffolding climbed ever higher, a temporary city of ladders and planks guiding workers toward the sky. Lasers confirmed alignment with millimeter precision, leaving no room for error.
Every bolt tightened with care, each weld ensuring the skeleton could bear unimaginable weight.
From above, the site appeared alive, a symphony of machines, humans, and lights.
Every reading was analyzed, every anomaly scrutinized, nothing left to chance.
Prefabricated sections rose like monoliths, suspended by cables and human precision.
Welders' sparks danced like stars, illuminating the day with ephemeral brilliance.
Precision lasers confirmed every angle, a silent guardian of structural integrity.
Concrete flowed steadily into foundations, guided by hands that had mastered coordination and timing. The site's scale became apparent only from above, a miniature metropolis of labor and steel.
After years of precision and perseverance, the vision finally stood complete.
What began as lines on paper became a living symbol of engineering mastery.
For the hands that built it, this was more than a project. It was legacy.